Today, I want to look at a very important part of mathematics, which is the number line. Most people think that it's easy, but I've noticed with great concern that the final answer, in most cases, will need the number line. So you have to be on point with your number line if you are to finish off these mathematical problems. All right, first of all, let us look at the number line itself. We have here 0 at the center, then positive numbers going to the right. These are the positive numbers. Then negative numbers stretching to the left. All right, so how do you solve problems involving the number line? Here on this diagram you can see just what I was saying. So let's say, as I said going to the right it's positive number. So if you have a plus, if you add a number to another number, you stretch going to your right. For example, let's say 1 plus 2, it's 1, then you go to 1, which is the number to your left, then you say 1, you're on 2, then you say 2, you're on 3, meaning to say 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So you start from 1, you add 2, which means you say 1, 2. That's one way. Then we can have 1 minus 2. Again, you start at 1. You say here is your 1. You say 1, you're on 0. 2, you're on minus 1. So 1 minus 2 brings us a minus 1. This is how you can work with your number line. All right. But let us summarize this. It's easy as you might think, but it might need some clarity. Right, how do you solve, let's say, minus 3 minus 3? Let us generalize this. Minus 3 minus 3. If the sign is the same, your solution simply, you add the numbers and maintain the sign. So I'll take the sign out, which is a negative sign on both numbers. Then adding the number 3 plus 3 is equal to a 6. So this is the general way of dealing with the numbers with a similar sign. For the positive one, is easy stuff, so there's no need for us to have an example on the positive side. Right, if the signs are different, say minus 4 plus 5, what we do here is we take the number of we take the sign of the bigger number. The bigger number is 5 here, so we jot down the positive, then we subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So it's 5 minus 4, we have a 1. Same applies. Let's say we had a minus 5 plus 4 equal sign. Same rule applies. We take the sign of the bigger number, which is negative sign in this case. 5 minus 4, a negative 1. So in short, this is how you deal with number line cases.